Hi, John again from Artistry in Glass. Today reporting on the mini silver kit from the Angel Gilding Company. Now, we already tested spray paints for silvering mirrors and found that Rust-Oleum mirror effect is the best. Today we'll show you how to silver a small mirror, and we'll see how real silvering compares with silvering using silver spray paint. Now, do not forget to subscribe to my channel by pressing the buttons below. Now, Angel Gilding's mini silver kit right now costs $62.50 plus shipping. In the box, you'll get the 3 chemicals you need to mix to deposit the silver, the tinning solution to prepare the glass, and black backing paint for protection. The kit also includes a measuring jug and cylinder and full instructions, but you'll have to get your own plastic trays and distilled water, together with shop supplies like paper towels, Dixie cups, protective gloves, and a timer with a second hand. Having prepared the tinning solution, slosh it around in the plastic tray for 30 seconds, then rinse the glass with distilled water. The next stage is to mix the silvering solution, which consists of a silver solution made of silver nitrate and ammonium hydroxide, together with an activator, sodium hydroxide, and a reducer made of glucose. Pour the mixture over the glass and rock the chemicals over the glass occasionally to get an even coating for a total of 5 minutes. Then rinse again with distilled water and stand the mirror on edge to dry. When it is completely dry, apply the mirror backing paint, then remove the masking and admire your result. The comparison shows that real silvering is distinctly brighter and more reflective than the best silver spray paint, the Rust-Oleum mirror effect. So our conclusion is that real silvering is a little tricky. It can be done by any hobbyist, but the process requires great care and cleanliness to achieve perfect results. One mistake and the whole mirror is ruined. For this reason, we recommend it for small mirrors with special shapes and mirrors with engraving. See the post identified below for more details. Customers in the Tucson area, please bring in your antique mirror for expert appraisal. We can order special antique mirrors like mercury or gold-veined mirrors, or we can resilver small hand mirrors, and this is often the best solution. We can replace your defective mirror with a brand new one and put it in the picture frame for you. Artistry in Glass mirror restoration experts since 1986.